Okay, hello YouTube. This is going to be my first video. I'm going to be playing on Hypixel server. I'm going to be playing a game called Vampires. On my channel, I'll be posting Minecraft and Wizard 101, and I hope I get Vampire. Okay, I will link this description of this server below. Stupid noobs with Steve skins. Follow me. Okay, let's go, guys. Lagging a bit. Not good. Yeah. So, bad lag. Probably doing things in the background right now, which sucks. And I'm completely lost, so yeah, this is great. Okay, so let's just close out some things. Put this. Oh, yeah, I'm about to die. I'll become bonfire, whatever. Put all this crap. Okay, so this is going to be a failed thing. Well, sorry about that. It's fine. Here we go. So at least I'm a vampire right now. Yeah, the lag's not as bad. No, it's actually pretty good. Still pretty bad. Maybe some recording. Okay. Yeah, it seems to be better. Okay. So here we go. Drop down. Actually, first let's buy some insane jump boost because this is so fun. Just to do that. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, he went into his house. Think again, little boy. I'm going to... Ah! Run! 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 Oh my gosh! That guy is powerful. Ah, Stevie noob. With other... Look at him. Kill the Stevie noob! Kill the Stevie noob! Kill the Stevie noob! Ah, I have enough blood to buy anything. Let's buy instant health. And let's buy vampire. Yeah. Oh, and they die. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Oh, I can still kill this guy. Oh, and yeah. Please, no. Stop, please. Stop, please. Oh, there's a guy over there. Come on. Yeah. If that was a... Oh my gosh. That was really... Oh, damn. I didn't kill anybody. So, yeah, great for me. Woo! I suck at this game and I know it. Yeah! Oh, gosh, the lag is bad. Ah, 5 survivors. I wonder where they are. Here, up. There's some name tags over there. No name tags over there. Why is the water ice? Why? Sorry, but why? You guys are probably going to scream at me from such a move, but I don't care. As I said, this is my first video, so if I do something wrong, well, you can let me know. Okay? And if you guys have any suggestions on stopping this lag, guess what? I would be perfectly fine. Oh, hello, little baby zombie. Hello, little baby zombie. Okay, yeah, that was fun, yeah. Okay, woo, yay. Oh boy, yay, yeah. Oh yeah, woo, just jumping around because this game is boring and there's only one survivor left. Round 5, 9 seconds left. So, I'm sorry guys, my first video was a bit of a fail, and yeah. I might be Oh, nice. Vampires win, yay. Sweet, I kinda... Okay, why am I lagging? Oh yeah, because this is horrible. Yay, okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching, bye.